Welcome back to this video. China is so big, and as a result, it can be difficult or cumbersome to source for the right supplier for a specific product. In this video, I will show you how to find luxury furniture supplier from China without any stress. So let's get started. But before we dive into the tutorial, as you know me, my name is Rafi Yakub. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want me to procure a link on 1688, Taobao, Pinduoduo, or IDoFish, or you want me to pay a Chinese supplier, or you want me to coach you on how you can be a procurement agent, or you want me to fund your Alipay account, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell for more tutorial about how to import from China to any part of the world. So with that being said, let's get started. Welcome back to this video. If you go to this particular website right here, meieLLA.com. So this particular website, just like as you can see on my screen right here, this particular website here allow you to connect with all manufacturers from different regions in China. So on getting to the site, it is always advisable to make use of Google Chrome to access the site for easy translation. And for you to translate, you can simply right click any part of the website, just like so, and navigate to translate to English. Then make sure you click on English right here. Then in a few seconds, the site is going to simply translate to English, just like what you see right here. Now, this can allow you to navigate on the site and see how to source for luxury furniture manufacturer from China. Alternatively, if you don't know if you don't understand English language, you can simply click on these three dots right here. Make sure to choose on another language. From here, you can choose from the drop down here and choose another language you can easily understand. Select it, and it's going to automatically convert the whole web page for you. But as for me, I'm leaving it in English language, just like so. Now, right here, this allows you to source by category. So, such as right here, we have sofa, coffee table, cart, etc. Now, the more you hover your mouse, and the more you see products from different category, just like so. So you can also scroll down right here and see products from the home page right here. Okay, so the more you scroll down and the more products is going to load up as far as this particular website is concerned. So just like so, you can see these are different products from different manufacturer from China. So just like so. So scroll down and see more products. Okay, so if you would like to browse by category, just come to the top right here and check on category right here. Let's, for instance, we want to check on sofa. I'm going to click on sofa right here. Then all manufacturers that deal with sofa, they are going to refine it and show all their different products from different category in China. So just like so, everything is going to load up like this. Then you can also click on English right here. This allows you to simply translate the page into English language. Now here, sofa type. So this allows you to check sofa set, sofa corner, or functional sofa, sofa bed, single sofa, double sofa, 3-seater sofa, 4-seater sofa. Then you can also source by length. You can also source by style, such as modern and simple, minimalistic, cream. So you can refine like that. You can also source by brand. These are different manufacturers. You can see their logo right here. Okay, so you can also scroll down here and see different sofa as the result implies. So the more you scroll down, the more you see luxury furniture from China, just like so. Now you have about 1 to 74 pages right here. This allows you, this to tell you that there are more products here. What you need to do is to simply click on next. So they take you to another set of different manufacturer as the case may be. Let's, for instance, you want to contact any of the supplier right here. What you need to do is to simply click on the product link. Let's, for instance, you want to contact this particular supplier, Mountains of Wound. So click on it, then it's load up into a new page, just like so. Then you can also come to the top here, click on English. This allows you to translate everything into English language. Then we're still in the category of sofa. So this is the supplier sales page. So you can see here that this supplier here basically deal with sofa as product. Then you can come to the top right here and check on the detail about the product, such as the style, such as the type of the sofa they have, then by the picture, etc. Then the number of products they have sold in the past. So this one here, I've sold 37 for this one, 25 for this one, 35 for this one, just 5 pieces for this one. You you can scroll down and see more and more as the case may be. Just as simple as that. Okay. So if you want to check on any product detail, just like so, you can simply scroll down and click on any of the products right here. So let's say I want to check the product detail of this particular one right here. So I'm going to click on it. Then it's load up in a new page. So just like so, I'll click on English right here. This allows me to translate everything into English language. Okay, just like so. Now we can simply scroll down and read product detail. Okay, so these are product detail right here, and then this is product graphics. So the more you scroll down, the more you see the picture of the product. So this is depends on the number of picture the supplier upload. Then this is the specification about the product. So you can read detail about the product specification, the sizes and the likes and the guarantee. You can also scroll down here and see the certificate. So you can see here they have about 3 different certificates. Okay, so you can scroll to the top just like so. Now, if you want to buy this particular furniture, what you need to do first is to make sure you create a free account. And for you to create a free account, just come to the top right here, click on register. When you click on register, you can register with your phone number or your email address. After register successful on the site, then come here and make sure you click on add to cart. So when you add it to cart, go to checkout and make payment with your Alipay, and they will ship the item to your location without any strain. So you can see the shipping fee for this particular item right here. So the shipping fee here is about 1,320 yen to ship this particular item. An estimated delivery within 30 days after payment. So all these things are very necessary for you to read before you go ahead and make your purchase on the site. And the first city is Wuhan City in China. It's as simple as that. So basically, this is one of the best websites to source for luxury furniture from China to any part of the world. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell for more tutorial about import from China. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Peace.